back, or welcome to the Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Now grab your favorite beverage of choice and a snack, or better yet, grab your cleaning supplies, a cloth, a broom, and a mop, and let's clean together. It's deep cleaning day here on the Johnson Ranch in my family room. So here's a suggestion. Always start with a dry dusting first. It just seems to work better for me, and I think it will prove to work good for you as well. So after my dry dusting, I like to come back in with something wet, whether that's a spray or in my trusty bowl, Clorox and Fabulosas. I love it because it helps to further disinfect, but it also adds a clean smell to my space. So I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And what I do on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cooking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. If these are things that interest you, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. So I'm taking this mop to dust my walls because somebody in my house, whose name starts with an M, put the windows up a couple days ago. And the wind was blowing and pollen, it got in the house. So I'm just dusting the walls. So tell me, what is your least favorite cleaning chore in your house? Drop it down in the comments below. Let's discuss it down there. just step in the video and just take you around the room and tell you where I got a few of the items from, because I'm always having people ask me either here on YouTube, on Facebook, or DMing me on Instagram, and asking me where do I get my budget-friendly pieces from. So we'll start here with these lovely drapes. These window panels, these window treatments I found on Amazon. They are by a company called Lush. And if they're still available, I will make sure to link them down in the description box below. Then I always get a question about this beautiful lamp. I absolutely love this lamp. My only regret is when I purchased it, I should have purchased two of them. This was a HomeGoods find, and it's by a company called Uttermost. It retails at HomeGoods for $79.99, but on Uttermost it's $425. I should have purchased two of them. This lovely ginger jar was a Tuesday morning find, and I only paid $19.99 for it. This blue and white chinoiserie ginger jar I purchased from Ross, and I only spent $14.99 for it. Now I thought about putting some florals in one of these ginger jars. I didn't do that in this video, but who knows what I'll do in the days to come. So a few more pieces I want to show you from around the room. I found while thrifting. Each of them, they were sold individually, but together I only paid $9 for this. Walmartfinds is actually a live plant pot. It was around about maybe $4 or $5, and I just stuck this faux plant inside that I purchased from, I believe, Hobby Lobby for less than $6. The small blue and white chinoiserie vase was a thrifting find for around $2 or $3, and this can't remember the name of it right now, but you can always find this at Hobby Lobby for around $2 or $3. Also on my shelf, I have these chinoiserie round balls. They are ceramic, and this was a 6-pack or a 6-piece, and they were a HomeGoods find. Again, anything that I can link below, I'll be so generous and link them for your shopping convenience. And this blue and white chinoiserie piece was I think this was a HomeGoods find. It was either HomeGoods or Tuesday Morning, and I only paid $19.99. My shopping haul video, then you'll recognize these pillow covers, and I found these at, one of my favorite places to shop, Amazon. So the final item I needed to bring this room together is my brand new area rug. It's an Amazon find for less than $150. I am loving how my space turned out. I hope that this shows you and motivates you to know that it doesn't cost a lot to put a room together to make your house a home. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what I need you to do. Give me a big thumbs up, leave a kind comment below, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more inspiration and motivation. I have more rooms to decorate in my home for springtime in the South here on the Johnson Ranch. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.